Hi, fifth grade. Today I'm going to talk to you about demonstration speeches. Some of you might know them as how-to speeches. You might have done one in third grade. So a demonstration speech is when you show me how to do something step by step. So when you do a demonstration speech, you will need to videotape yourself. A lot of times it's easier to use a phone. So it's whatever device you would like to use. You can send it to me in an email or you can attach it to Google Classroom. There's a couple different ways that you can do it, but we'll get into that more later. Demonstration speeches are when you are going to act out something, like you're going to do it step by step. Maybe you're going to show me how to make brownies. So you would have all your ingredients sitting out and you would do a little video and show me step by step how you'd make the brownies. Your video should be about 3 to 5 minutes long. If it's a little shorter or a little longer, that would be fine also. I know some of you might be very confused on how to record yourself. Some of you know how to do that very well. But if you are really confused on how to record yourself or you think you don't have a device that you could do that with, then I am attaching a document to Google Classroom where you could just write out a demonstration speech. So you're going to write step by step how you would do something. Okay. It's very, very helpful to put numbers in front of each step because when you're writing a demonstration speech, you have to go in that exact order. Okay, so I'm going to attach a document also that gives you a lot of ideas for topics that you could use for your demonstration speech. Um, your demonstration speech is not going to be due until next Friday. So I'm talking to you about it today, and I am going to attach some demonstration speeches that are on YouTube that you could watch. There's, lots of different ones that you can see out there. Make sure that you get permission to, look up different ones on YouTube from your parents first, because I don't want you to view anything that they would think was inappropriate. But a lot of times you can just put in demonstration speeches and you'll see some really, really good ones. There's a lot of them that are kids making a craft. And so those are always really, really good ones. When you do a demonstration speech, you set out all of your materials so that everybody can see what you would need to use. Slime ones are extremely popular. I don't want your families to have to go out and buy different supplies for your demonstration speeches. I mean, we're in the middle of a pandemic. So try to do something that would be really simple. You would have those supplies in the house. A lot of you are artists, so maybe you want to videotape yourself drawing something that you're really good at. I know a lot of kids at your age like to draw anime figures. Maybe you're really good at origami and you want to show me how to do origami. Now, something you can do is you can show yourself in the video as you're doing it, or you can just position the camera so that you are showing me your hands actually making the object. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways you can do it. I am not going to be very picky about your demonstration speech at all because I know that this is difficult. It's a lot different if we were doing this in the classroom at school. Okay, there would be a lot of different requirements, but during a pandemic, well, doing a demonstration speech might be easier for you. It might be more difficult. For example, when we're at school, if we were doing a demonstration speech at school, you couldn't do anything that would have food items in it because we don't bring the food items to school. Like, for example, you couldn't bring eggs to school and show me how to make brownies. But since you're videotaping yourself at home, you have a lot more flexibility. So you could make, food items at home and videotape that. So this might be a little bit better than actually doing it at school. That might be one of the perks of doing e-learning. Okay. So if you have questions or anything like that, you can shoot me a private comment. But again, I am going to attach some, really good ideas. I'm going to attach some videos. Tomorrow, you'll just be watching examples of videos of demonstration speeches. Remember when I did the lesson about Let's Learn About Lola? Honestly, that was a demonstration speech because I was showing you how to take care of a hedgehog, right? So if you have a pet at home and you just want to video the items that you use to take care of your pet, you could do that. That can be a demonstration speech. As you're doing it, you're just telling me how you take care of your pet. So there are a million different ideas out there. Even though I'm going to attach a list on Google Classroom, you definitely can use ideas that are not on that list. Okay. So if you're doing your demonstration speech and you're actually going to shoot a video of yourself, then you are not required to fill out the document that I'm going to put on Google Classroom. You can if you want to. It might help you to organize your speech better. But what you could do is just maybe use note cards or a piece of paper and put down a few notes that will help you to get through your speech so you don't forget to say something. All right. But if you are not going to video yourself, then you do have to do the Google document. You have to write out a demonstration speech if you don't want to send me a video. All right. Your videos are not anything that you need to worry about other people seeing. I know that some people are extremely shy and you don't want to show these to your class. Now, that's another perk of doing your video for e-learning, because if you were in class, the whole class would see you do your demonstration speech. So if there are things that you would like to do, maybe you're a sports person and you want to show me how to play hockey or play basketball or baseball or something like that, then you could have somebody videotape you outside and do a demonstration speech like how to pitch a baseball or how to make a goal in hockey, something like that. Okay. Maybe you're somebody who likes to ride a ripstick or a skateboard, and you want to show me an awesome trick on your skateboard. Then you could do your demonstration speech on that. So, really, demonstration speeches are a lot of fun, and they're things that you are interested in. So, it makes it interesting to me also. So I would love for you just to watch the videos today and tomorrow. And then I want you to be thinking about what you're going to do for your demonstration speech. I want you to let me know by next Tuesday what you're going to do for your speech. Okay. So, how will I know if you watched this video and that you know we have demonstration speeches coming up? I am going to attach a Google form. There's going to be a couple of questions that you have to answer, and then you have to submit it. That way I can keep track of everyone and make sure that you're doing your e-learning and that you're not missing this video, so you know what assignment you have coming up. So again, demonstration speeches. I just need you to send it to me by next Friday. You don't have to make your decision this week at all. You just need to decide by next Tuesday and send me your idea by next Tuesday. Okay. If you have other questions, again, send me a private comment and I will try to send you something back right away. Okay. So have a great day, guys. Remember, check the attachments on Google Classroom because probably most of your questions can be answered by checking the links in Google Classroom. Okay. Have a great day. Miss you all. Bye.